Hello students. Previously we see that linear equations in two variables. You solve the activity on page number first. Now we have to see the simultaneous linear equations, which is called simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations. What is the definition of simultaneous linear equations? When we thought two linear equations when we two linear equations in two variables together then these two equations are called linear equations simultaneous linear equations simultaneous linear equations linear equations in two variables. This is the definition. आपण त्याला मराठीत एक सामायिक समीकरण असं म्हणतो. Now for example first x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 3. When we thought together these two linear equations, then we say that these are the simultaneous equations. Second, suppose a plus 3b is equal to 6 and a minus 5b is equal to 4. Then these two equations are also called as simultaneous linear equations. Now, methods of solving simultaneous equations. You studied in 9th class the methods of solving simultaneous equations. In the 9th class there are two methods. First is elimination by equating the coefficient and second is the elimination by substitution method. Now this year we have to solve simultaneous equations by again two methods. That one is graphical method and second is Cramer's rule. But first we have to solve practice 1.1 by using methods of 9th class. So that now we have to solve practice set 1.1. See here, practice set 1.1, which is on the solution of simultaneous equation of linear equations. Solve the following equations. Question is solve the following equations. Simultaneous equations The first example is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, comma a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now we have to solve this simultaneous equation by using method of elimination by equating coefficients or by substitution method. Now we have to solve this equation by method of elimination of equating the coefficients. See how to solve. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Give this equation number 1. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Give this equation number 2. Now see here, in equation 1 and 2, the coefficients of a are 3 and 1 and the coefficients of b are 5, 5. That means the coefficients of b are equal. Now we have to eliminate the variable b by subtracting equation 1 from subtracting equation 2 from 1. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. What is the equation 1? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now subtracting. When we subtract, the sign of a is positive, we take negative. Sign of 5 is positive, we take negative. Here also negative. Now 3a minus a, that means subtraction is 2a. Now 5b minus 5b is equal to 0. 5b 5 we cancel, is equal to 26 minus 22, that is equal to 4. Now a is equal to 4, therefore a is equal to 4 by 2. Now we have a is equal to 2, that means the value of a is 2. Here we eliminate the variable b, then we get the value of a. Now put a is equal to 2. Put a is equal to 2 in any equation which is simple for you. Now we put a is equal to 2 in equation 2. In equation 2, which is the equation 2? A plus 5b is equal to 22. Now put the value of a 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Now 5b is equal to 22 minus 2, that means 5b is equal to 20. Therefore b is equal to 4. Hence we get a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. Now we write this in the pair as, therefore answer is equal to a comma b is equal to 2 comma 4 is the solution of simultaneous equation. By which method we studied in 9th class, elimination of any variable by equating coefficients, we solve these simultaneous equations. Similarly, we can solve all these examples in practice set 1.1. Now remaining problems solve at home. If any problem Thank you.